Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Shares Investment App Review My Usage Experience. Shares Investment App Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and comparing different investment apps. Its main purpose is to help users find the best investment app for their needs, based on features, fees, and user experiences. The target audience is likely individuals interested in investing, whether beginners or experienced traders, looking to choose a suitable app. Key features likely include app comparisons, user reviews, and perhaps even ratings. Their website provides details on their review process and methodology. They highlight ease of use in comparing apps, claiming to present information transparently. They emphasize the breadth of their app coverage, and while they don't mention specific technology, it seems to rely on aggregating user reviews and publicly available App Store data. Availability is global, as long as you have internet access to access their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Shares Investment App Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The website is clean and intuitive. I quickly found the search bar and easily located reviews for several apps I was considering, including Robinhood and Fidelity. Navigating the interface was simple, and I appreciated the clear presentation of pros and cons for each app. The reviews themselves were detailed and helpful, often highlighting aspects that official app descriptions might miss, such as user interface quirks or customer support responsiveness. I especially liked the rating system, which gave me a quick visual overview of each app's strengths and weaknesses. Performance was excellent, the site loaded quickly, and searches returned results instantly. I had a question about their rating methodology and contacted support through their contact form. They replied within 2 days with a very helpful and informative email. A standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive comparison tool that let me compare up to 3 apps side by side. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I found myself needing to use a desktop or laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Shares Investment App Review My Usage Experience. It's a valuable resource for anyone looking to select an investment app. That's my overview of Shares Investment App Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.